We'll guide you through how to remove paper texture in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because paper textures often ruin otherwise good images, especially scanned drawings, notes, or designs. To remove paper texture in Photoshop, start by opening the application on your device. The Create New button to begin a fresh project. After that, name your project whatever you prefer so it is easy to identify later. Next, set up your canvas size according to your needs. For example, using 1080 by 1920 pixels as a standard vertical format. When you are finished adjusting the size settings, click OK to create the canvas. Now, import the image you want to remove the paper texture from by going to File, then Open, and selecting the photo you want to work on. After choosing the file, drag the photo into your canvas so it appears on your workspace. Once your image is placed correctly, move to the bottom of the screen and click the adjustment layer icon. From the available options, choose Levels to begin correcting the texture. In the Levels panel, adjust the settings based on the type of paper or texture in your image. Carefully slide the controls to balance the brightness and contrast until the unwanted texture starts to fade. Continue refining these sliders until the image looks smoother and cleaner. If the result already looks good to you, proceed to save your work by going to File and selecting Save, or simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard for a quicker action. Finally, if you want to export the edited image, go back to File, then choose Export and click Export as PNG to save a high-quality version of your image without the paper texture. This method works because adjusting levels helps reduce visible grain and uneven tones commonly found in scanned or photographed paper backgrounds. By increasing highlights and adjusting midtones, you effectively wash out the texture while keeping important details intact. Take your time during the adjustment process, since small slider changes can produce noticeable differences in the final result. If needed, you can repeat minor adjustments until the texture becomes barely visible and your image appears clean, smooth, and more professional for further editing or sharing purposes as needed overall.